One part of the segment is large telco customers, and we also have a new segment that is much wider, which we are trying to approach from the SaaS-based thing. So the scenario on both these segments are different. So in one, which is the classical enterprise selling, we have a lot more feet on the ground supported by a central marketing team and regional supported marketing team. But when it comes to the new product range that we have, which we are talking about a multi-vertical SaaS-based, subscription-based model, I think it is predominantly a marketing, pull-based marketing supported by a few feet on the ground. So there's a distinct difference. So let me first come to the latter part of it, which is the SaaS-based, subscription-based business. There, I guess that we have a lot more measurements that we are doing right across the end-to-end GTM, right from start of the GTM, product usage, usage of materials that the customers use, like training materials, everything. So everything is measured, and I'm seeing the silo literally non-existent there, because the product teams and the marketing teams work very, very closely, and the data is probably leading the way as to what is the next step of where we have to scale and all the changes that need to happen. It is done primarily based on data. Now, when I come to the classical enterprise selling, over the years, we have increase the number of measurements at different points. But then still, I find a lot of intangibles there when it comes to the ROI component. So ROI is complicated. We are still measuring a lot more than what we used to measure in the past. But I still feel that a lot can be done there, and we are learning as we talk about, because the feedback loop is also much longer than the new age thing where we do an event, we do not get the feedback very, very quickly based on some of the intangible elements of the impact that we are creating.